Down here, VCU Health. I'm going to get this Cornell mine and helicopters. Go and get this Cornell mine checked out. I can't deal with this much longer. It is in the way. It is totally in the way. I must fix this. See the School of Pharmacy here? Whew. Oh boy. I sure hope they can fix me. And that be the end of pain. Because this is gotten to be a bit too much. A bit too much. A wee bit too much. Tired of dealing with it now. Ooh-wee. Helicopters. Hey, hey. There it is. So loud, like it's shaking the building. Yeah, I'm gonna go on in here and crochet these handles to Kyla's pocketbook I'm working on. I hadn't had a chance to finally get to that with everything else I've been doing. So while I have a chance to sit down and relax, I'm gonna go ahead on and Lord, I left the stick in the car, y'all. Wasn't that brilliant? Wow. Wow. Anyway, I'm ready to go on in here now and register myself, and I bought me some yogurt. Should have bought 2 waters, but one is good. And them Christmas cookies I was eating in Roses. I got hungry walking around in there. I had to open the cookies and start eating them shortbread cookies. So I'm gonna go in here and get registered. Me and my yogurt, my cookies and my water. And on the way here, I was like, shoot, I wish I would have bought my cashews, because I don't really want nothing. I want no cookies. The cashews and my yogurt would have been great. Well, I'm going to let y'all know the outcome. Whew. Well, I made it back to the car, headed on home now. Whew. Whew. Excuse me. I'm tired, I'm sleeping. Oh, they just gave me some stronger pain medicine than the kind that I take anyway, and put a lidocaine patch on it. I made it back to the car fine without my stick. I'm okay. And what they gave me some, what was it? I think it was a Tylenol while I waited. And I had to take a CAT scan. It just came back like we know I have arthritis in my knee. So that's a given. But I got to follow up with orthopedics. They're going to give me a call. So hopefully they can get me in sooner than that appointment. By me coming here tonight, I hope, than the appointment that I have coming up. So I'm headed on home now. Last time I came down here, they gave me and the person I came with, because we was hungry, waiting, gave us some good old tuna fish sandwiches with the works. And I'm gonna tell you, that makes me want to go somewhere and find me a good old tuna sandwich. Find me a good old tuna sandwich. But I'm not. I'm gonna go home. Go home and relax. I can't get my medicine till tomorrow anyway. I'm gonna go home and relax and finish crocheting this strap for this pocketbook, and eat me a little something, I guess. Yeah, I did get hungry sitting in there. I didn't have anything I didn't have anything to eat that I wanted. I didn't want the water. I was given cranberry juice with my Tylenol. So I drank that, and then I just sat and waited and crocheted. But I didn't want my water. I didn't want no yogurt, and I definitely wanted to move for no cookies. I probably would have eaten the yogurt if I would have bought my cashews, but I didn't think about the cashews, and I only grabbed the cookies because they were sitting on the sofa as I was leaving. But that's not what I wanted. But that's the update. That is the update. So I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Oh, and I got a tetanus shot for that knife cut on my finger. Whew. So I'm glad I remembered that. I just wanted to hop back on here and tell y'all that. Good night.